Hi guys, Lincoln here with hostlincoln.org, and today is the 13th of our affiliate marketing challenge. And I know it's a long way to the 90 days, but days are going fast and I haven't made any sales yet because I've been amending what was my initial plan. And what I did today is I made one video in my health and fitness challenge, then talk about the other products of Clickbank. Of course, we all say do not promote across platform, but what I will do is make a dumb channel and make one video per day promoting every little thing I found on Clickbank that I can promote. An example would be the red tea detox we talked in the last video, and the link will be in the description below if you want. And just promote everything and split test those two. This will give me a better chance to reach my goal of 1K per day in the next 90 days. But of course it's a long way there. And I already completed my affiliate marketing course, and I'm a little late with my entrepreneurship course, but all of that is done. I will teach you something today about affiliate marketing, and then we'll pick up in the next 90 days. Every day I will update you what's happening, what am I doing. So what I did today is one video, one channel to promote everything and affiliate marketing. And of course with that video was one actual post article. Okay, today is 27th February of 2019. These are going very fast, and yes, even like my channel, I need to change that, but even with this channel I'm not having like a lot of views because I'm not promoting my channels, my links to different things. And today is day 13, and as from day 15 I have a full on and promotion ways which I will share with you on this channel, and that can cost like more than $1,000, but I will give you all for free. Other thing is yes, thumbnails. Your thumbnails on your channel, if what you are doing is health and fitness, should be very flattering to the video, because that's what will get you clicks. Very shiny, very thin, and I will show you how to rank your videos too, and which I'm not doing in my channel. I need to do that, and those have worked extremely well in my other channel. Okay, so my affiliate marketing course, it's an easy course which I wrote, and I will share actually my introduction with you today, and maybe what is affiliate marketing. Okay, I already wrote the course, and I'm very proud with it. I have other courses I want to do, like a traffic course, Facebook ads, mastery, and Pinterest traffic, and other things. So let's just delete that. I will do that later. No, let it be. The first thing is this course is for beginners, anyone who wants to make money with affiliate marketing the easy way, and you do not require anything to start, not even below, which I'm promoting, but you don't really need that. All you need to start for your promotion and to earn money is to have a PC or laptop or anything you can run something online, and a good internet connection. And you need to push forward everything. Yes, of course. I had some student which is not in affiliate marketing but in my entrepreneurship course, who thinks that internet success would happen like really fast, and that's really like a lot of BS. And just like any other business, you have to be consistent, do it every day and consistently at the same time. You need to invest a lot. You cannot lose focus. Even if you're doing something else, but it's related, it's like in your focus. And just like me, I'm showing you how to make money with affiliate marketing, and I have another channel and it's taking me a lot of time, but you never have to lose focus. And your focus, my focus, is to empower entrepreneurs, empower you to become entrepreneurs such as this. And that's what I want. I want to empower you. And it's very rewarding because you don't have to get products and all that. You just need a laptop, a PC, and promote other products. Simple. So the first thing, what is affiliate marketing and affiliate networks that I'm working with is Clickbank mainly. I have another one, but Clickbank mainly for Discord because it's very easy to get in. So what is it? It's actually driving traffic to someone else's product, which you already know. And once the traffic converts, someone buy, you will get commission. So Clickbank is great for beginners. It's easy. Create a link, promote to that link, make money. And the vendor of the product, the one who publishes the thing to Clickbank, will earn a little money, but maybe you don't have rebills, and he can promote other things like other product he has if he already has an email that he is collecting. You see? So the first step is going to Clickbank, register, and you can get paid like in check and direct deposit. And once you generate commission, Clickbank can pay you depending on the threshold that you seek and whatever things you do, but you have to make at least 4 sales of different persons to start making money online. So that's all for today. Tomorrow is what is traffic and what are my traffic suggestions for you, and what else? Oh yeah, I have a traffic course coming on, all for free maybe, which I'm really excited about because that worked very well for my blog, and now I will do it with YouTube. So thanks for watching. No, before thanks for watching. Yeah, if you want to start something, you just start, and when you need to modify like I did, don't be afraid to. Because if you don't modify and adapt yourself to what's going on, you might end up losing and quitting and whatever you might do. And even if you fail the first time, don't be afraid, because you can restart, reinvest your time, really learn from your mistake and do it the better way, the best way you can. And once you are consistent enough, you will succeed. So on that note, thanks for watching. Please, if you like this video, like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell notification because we're uploading every single day.